Okay, so I went through this in another video, but I'm going to quickly go through it again. We're just going to set up a tag for calibration with a few extra tips. So put in the SD card. Please note that I've labeled all three components. They all sync up. So we've got goat 3, orange 3 on the battery and SD card, as well as the tag itself. We're going to plug in the battery to switch on the daily diary. It's just doing the little light show as it reads the card. And we're logging data. We're going to try and keep the consistent orientation of our tag. We're going to place it in the housing, just a little bit of blue tack to secure it on the battery. And if we imagine that's the front, we want that to carry on through when it sits in the housing. Bit of foam to secure it into the housing. So we've got no movement there. So it's not moving around in the housing. Pretty secure. Pop the lid on. And some sort of indication or signal what the front is on the housing, so we know which way the tag is when it's on the animal, because obviously we can't see it because this is not transparent housing. Then all left to do is put it on the collar and make sure it's secure on the collar as well. We're going to do that using zip ties because we don't want it moving on the collar as well to reduce the noise and increase the quality of data. There we go. It's ready for calibration. To undertake a calibration, you need to find a clear open space, preferably close to the capture or deployment site. You want to be far away from any buildings or metal materials such as lampposts, benches, cars. Then you want to mark out north using either a compass or a phone, and I've here marked it out using a stick. And you want to face yourself north also. Holding the tag, you just want to hold it as if the tag was on the animal, so the front of the tag is facing the front of the animal. We want to first stimulate the accelerometer, so we want to start off by quickly rushing the tag up and down, up and down. Once we've done this, we also want to record the precise time we start that movement, so we can then offset the time later on through data analysis, but I'll go over that in a separate video. Next, we want to move the tag back and forward, and left and right, to cover the other axes. Then we're going to repeat this 3 times. Next, we're going to start to build a G-sphere to help our magnetometer offset in data analysis. Once again, I'll go over that in a separate video. To begin this, we face the tag north, front facing, and begin to rotate the tag itself forward to back, as you can see I'm doing there. And then you want to begin to turn yourself 360 degrees. And you want to repeat this 3 times also. Next, to make sure we touch as many points on the G-sphere as possible, we rotate the tag 90 degrees, as you can see I've done here, and then begin to rotate it back to forward again. And now, like the previous set of motions, begin to rotate 360 degrees. And we're going to repeat this 3 times. The third and final part of the calibration is used to ensure we've got the correct heading, which can be derived from the magnetometry data. To do this, we put the tag back upright, and the whole reason we started the calibration in the north position was for this phase. We point the tag north, and then we just want to hold the tag for a couple of seconds at each point of an 8-point compass. So for example, north, northeast, east, southeast, etc., etc. And you want to repeat this twice or even 3 times. The final thing to do is to set the tag down flat, as it will make it easier to find your calibration in your massive set of data. And that's calibration complete. Thanks for watching.